Hi traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in the video which I promised to record. This is about the last year results from the 2024 and mainly from trades which of course I discuss in my live trading room together with this swing trading strategy. So as you can see, I started to follow this in the middle of the April or at the end of the April. So it was possible to achieve 41%, risking 1% per trade. So it's, in my opinion, very good results because it's like 6 months of trading. Of course, if you decrease the risk, you will get less. If you increase the risk, you will get more. So, in my opinion, this is very, very, very good, especially that this is just one strategy, which is very easy to follow. All those trades which you can see here were discussed in my live trading room, which is, of course, part of the advanced trader program. But if you join my one-on-one mentorship program, and you can find link to this website below this video in the description. You will also get access to the advanced trader program because this is part of it. So first of all, you will get online materials to study and follow my actions, and you will get full mentorship with me. So basically it's this is the benefit which you get. So if you are more interested about this approach, just click to this link below in the description. You can fill up the form, you can send name and email, send me the message, and of course I will get back to you. So we will have free conversation at the beginning just to see if I can help you, and I understand your expectation. And of course below you have all details about the mentorship, about the prices, also free trading strategy, which I personally use, and more details about the whole process. Okay, so feel free to contact me if you are interested. And now let's go back to our results. And as I mentioned, I was able to achieve 41% here with only one strategy. At the beginning, I decided I wanted to follow everything basically what I explained in the live trading room, but then I saw that it might be too much. It will be too overwhelming. So I decided just follow one simple approach with the swing trading to show you what you can achieve without spending too much time in front of the charts. Okay, always keep in mind that in trading, trading is a process, is a progress. So it's better to focus on the one thing, continuously execute and follow the rules, so it will become a habit, and then start to add another things. Because if we really want to achieve success in trading, in my opinion, this is the way. Because if you just focus to make money in trading, what will happen? You will grow the account, then you will kill your profits. You will grow the account, and you will kill the profits. It's usually, most of the cases, it's like that. Why? Because there is no plan. It's just, okay, I take that, I take this here and there. So basically it ends like that. Okay. So let me just go, because I want to explain more about this. And like I said, this is just a swing trading strategy, which is a very relaxed way of trading. So what I want to show you, the whole process which was behind this type of style, or at least what I do this to achieve those results. So first of all, like always, I make my watch list, which means that I, during the weekend, I sit and make my top no approach analysis, which means that you go from the higher time frames to the lower time frames, of course, according to the strategy rules, which you can learn in the advanced trader program, and of course in my one-on-one mentorship program. So when the watch list is done, it looks more or less like that, as you can see. So I have I split this to Forex, to indices and metals. Of course, you can do cryptocurrencies, you can do other things. It's not because this works everywhere, but I just want to show you how I do it, just for the basic things. Why? Because it's not overwhelming to follow all those pairs, indices and metals. Okay, so as you can see, not each pair As if there is empty, it means that there is nothing which I want to trade on this pair during upcoming week, let's say. Then there is something which I want to observe, so there is also, and then I have some opportunities. You see, sell as a bounce, sell on the 4 hour chart, buy on the daily with the daily 1 to 3. Of course, everything is according to the rules. So even if you don't understand this right now, it's okay. It's normal, but you will learn everything. Okay. So this is the watch list, the first step. Okay, of the process. So of course I need to find time for myself. For me, it doesn't take long to make this, but at the beginning it might take you a little bit longer, like 1 hour or even more. So don't worry about that. But the idea is to get a habit that during the weekend you sit and you prepare the charts. Then simple, what we start to do when we create a watch list, we start to monitor this watch list. So you can create a panel to follow possible entries from exactly from this watch list which you created. This is how it looks. As you can see, more or less, this is the panel. And I just simply have that and don't just draw the lines which I already made. As you can see, one trade is running here right now. The first target was hit. This is also open yesterday, so it's not going in our way. And we still have GBP US dollar from the from last year, which is still which is still holding. Yes, and I have this, so I don't have to jump during the week between the pairs. I don't have to pick up, find this here and that. I have already my pairs and I just follow for possible setup by, you see, drawing the lines. For example, I have the trend line. I look for short scenarios. Yes, let me just maybe make it bigger. Yes, so as you can see, Swiss franc yen, I said, okay, if this trend line is broken, I want to see the setup to look for short entry. So I executed this trade. Okay, without thinking too much. Okay, Eurocat exactly the same. Yes, we draw the line. We said, okay, when price is rejecting this line, we can take the entries according to the rules. So I have this panel, and I don't change. Usually over the week, it won't change much. Sometimes I also check it. Let's say in the middle of the week, I update my watch list if necessary. Okay. Next, you have setups, and based on this strategy, 1 hour on the 4 hour chart. So I don't go lower, and this is very easy to follow because, as you see, you have your panel. Then you know what setups you are looking for, and then you can even set alerts to follow it. Okay, so you don't even check the charts, because if you want to trade this on the 4 hour chart, setup will happen every 4 hours because you wait for candle close. A little bit more is with the 1 hour chart, because no candle is closing every 1 hour, but it's not also a problem. Set the alerts, and whenever a situation happens, you just check the charts and then you execute the trades. Of course, you don't have to follow 1 hour, it's enough also 4 hour, but your results will change. Then, of course, execution, market entries or pending orders. You don't have to exactly be when the candle close. You can just set the alerts. I also did that. For example, GBP US dollar, which is currently running with the 320 pips profits, it was exactly pending order here. So I didn't take it live. I just see, okay, I have the rules, everything is there. So I just place the pending order, and if price decide to go in my way, perfect. If not, I use correct risk management. Okay. Because when we execute, of course, you want to trade maximum with the 2% per position. When you start, I really recommend 0.5% to just build the confidence, to not think about your result too much, because at the beginning we just want to build confidence, and we not focus much on the results at the beginning. Okay. Then we have management. So I manage according to my strategy plan, and on the 1 hour chart or 4 hour chart. It's also very easy because those time frames are higher time frames. So again, you don't have to sit in front of the charts too much. Then, of course, I prepare statistics to monitor performance. Of course, This is the Excel file which you already seen. This is this file with all the trades which you can find here. Okay, of course you can do it with the external software, like I know my FX book. Maybe there is something different, but I think I'm all from the old school. I prefer to write down everything. Why? Because we are more aware of our decision making process. Okay, if you have to write this down, you really see this and you really understand your numbers. Okay, then trading journal, this is to track your decision making process. Very, very important thing, tool. Why? Because we can see if we follow the plan or not. Yes, because very often it happens that you execute the trade, and after checking this trade after 2 3 weeks, suddenly you see that what the hell happened there, why I took this trade. It was not even with my plan. And when you was doing this, you were thinking that it is with your plan. So that's why it's very important to have it. And it's very simple. You have to just, you can just place the screenshots just to understand the numbers. As you can see, it's everything here which is in the Excel file is monitored here. So as you can see, you have weekly chart, you have daily chart, then you have 4 hour chart, and then in this case there was set up on the 1 hour. So as you can see, entry was here exactly, stop loss was here, first target, second target, and then bonus lot was managed on the 4 hour chart, and it was kicked out here. Okay, so this is the trading journal. Very simple. You don't need to have fancy things. The thing is just to understand what exactly happened, what is your decision making process, why you took this trade, etc. Okay, so as you can see, everything is of course with my trading plan and according to the rules, but I just want to show you exactly step by step the whole decision making process behind those results. As you can see, here is the trade on the 15-minute chart. So you have again weekly, daily. Why? Because I do top down approach. So I don't just look for this and look for entries. I also pay attention if I have reasons from the higher time frames to take this trade on the lower time frame. So that's why you have weekly, daily, then you have 4 hour chart, and 15-minute 1 2 3 entry. Again, first target hit, second target somewhere, yeah, first target here, second target here because it was on the support, and bonus slot was closed a little bit lower. So even, as you can see, I even now, after this trade was taken in the October, I think so, I understand what happened here. Why? Because I follow it. I follow it in the Excel file, and I follow this in my trading journal. So it's not like what I did here, what happened here, why I took this trade, why I managed this trade. This is usually um, what happens if you are not trading with the uh, with the good tools, yes, and the good preparation. Okay, whenever I can just take the first trade which I took, and I will understand what happened there. Why? Because I follow my plan and I know what I want to achieve. Okay, so your focus is narrow. So basically imagine like that. Most of the people, sorry for my painting, are everywhere. Okay, doing this, doing that, here and this, bounce trading, scalping, indices, forex, everywhere. So how you can understand and really follow decision making process. But if you change perspective, yes, and you, for example, narrow your decision making process to one thing, all other things are not important anymore because it's not for you. Okay, and market is generating a lot of different opportunities every day. So first of all, you want to narrow, and then you want to follow it. Yes, of course, maybe your results will be smaller. Maybe you won't achieve 41%. Maybe it will be only 10%. But keep in mind that the trading idea is to grow the account steady. If you learn to do that, then this is just the number which you can change however you want. Okay, so we don't focus on this at the beginning. We focus on the decision making process, and of course, we focus on our mindset because this is the most important part. Yes, and then of course we take conclusions. So we learn from mistakes, from our trading plan, from our statistics, focus on positive action, and we try avoid repeating errors. Okay, and if this happens, then it's coming from mindset, and then we have to work to understand what is the reason. So if you, let's say, what usually happens, you have trading plan. After 2 weeks you forget about this trading plan and you start to do other things. So then there is the question, I do why I do this. Okay, why this is happening. Okay, usually it's connected to with the greed, with the fear that you really just want to make money in trading, etc. So of course there is a lot of aspect which of course I will help you to understand in my mentorship program. So as you can see, it's very relaxed way of trading, nothing fancy, easy stuff. And the beauty of that is that really you just dedicate the time during the weekend, okay? And then if you have panel, you just check the charts. You can spend during the day around maybe 15, maximum 20 minutes just to check the charts. Nothing else. You don't have to sit in front for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, understand, take a lot of entries, take million of entries, like some people can, some people can even take, I don't know, 100, 300 entries during the month. Yes, it's not like that with the swing trading. Of course, results are also different, but as you can see, here from the middle of the April, I took around 63 trades. So a lot or not, I don't know. Really, different months generates different results. As you can see here, the best month was October, the worst was November, but it was US elections. August, no trades at all because I don't trade, but basically all the months were with the profits. Yes, so the only November small loss. And keep in mind that I also missed some entries, so I didn't take all of them. Usually I miss good ones. I don't know why this happens, but this happens. Anyway, it's very simple to follow. Sometimes you have more entries, like you see in the, when was it, in the June. Yes, you see a lot of entries. You see in the September not so much, but idea is to wait patiently for market to give you your setups. Yes, you are not chasing those setups, you wait patiently to follow it. And this is exactly what swing trading is about. It's about patiently wait for your setup. So you see, let's take Euro GBP. Yes, let's say I said, okay, I'm interested to trade this pair only when this retracement happen. Then I will start to pay attention. This, keep in mind, is daily chart. Okay, so this retracement might happen in 3 days, 1 week, 1.5 week. We don't know, or even not. It will just continue, and there will be no retracement, which means no entries. Okay, so again, you can only achieve results, any results. I'm not saying about that, any results, just by following the trading plan, because your focus is narrowed. So then you will get the real numbers. Okay, then you can always improve that, so no worries, and you can add a different strategy. But it's better to focus on the one thing than jumping here and there and trying just to get some profits. And about the setups were very easy to follow, because for the swing I mainly follow daily chart. Okay, as you can see, daily 1 to 3s and daily trend lines together with the entries on the 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart. There is another extra setting 4 hour chart with the 15 minutes. So if you are too busy, it might be difficult to follow, but those one are very easy. And I also follow trades against the main direction on the 1 hour chart, on the 4 hour chart. Those trades were taken usually with the main trend, yes, or trend change. Okay, so this is with the main trend, this is possible trend change, this is again ongoing trend or against the trend. And you also have more higher time frames, 4 hour chart and 1 hour chart against the main trend. This was exactly what happened on the US 30 last trade almost last trade from last year. As you can see, weekly chart was in the retracement. Daily chart, we took the trade here to aim this on the 1 hour time frame, and then you see what happened. Price just dropped and we get this bigger retracement, which I was able to catch. So I was stopped out here. So this is the trade against the main direction. Daily 1 to 3, we have daily 1 to 3, very easy to follow, and we just look for possible continuations of the trend. So guys, as you can see, uh, it's easy, not too complicated. Definitely you can do it by yourself, even if you have your regular job. Keep in mind, focus on the decision making process, give yourself time. Don't look for 1 or 2 months with this strategy, because this is swing. At least you need to trade for 3 months to see in which direction it goes. As you can see, different months, different trades, different results. So that's why you need time to do it. Okay, but in this case it will be very relaxed way of trading, if of course you do it in the right way. And if you need help, you know where to find me. Of course, you can sign up to my mentorship program. Link to this website you will find below this video in the description. Feel free to contact me. The first meeting is for free. We just see in which direction we can go, if I can help you, if I can guide you. So don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. Below you have, of course, more details about the mentorship program, about prices also. But what I want to mention here is that my mentorship is divided for the three major aspects. It's the technical part, it's the planning part, and the mindset part. So you have full package. Yes, not many people give you that this part, because most of the people teach strategy, mainly strategy and some planning, but not many people will show you how to work with the mindset, how to find your limiting beliefs, how to work with them. It might be difficult process at the beginning. Why? Because you need to, this will be something new definitely for you, but if you do it right in the way how I will show you, it will be very easy process, and you will see quick changes in your decision making process in trading. Of course you need to do your work there, because I cannot do any I cannot do by you have to do it by yourself, because this is your responsibility. I will just guide you through the whole process using the mentorship program. Okay, and I put a lot of effort in terms of the mindset, because in my opinion this is key element to achieve long-term success in trading. And below you also have some videos about the learning process, and like I said, you get access to the advanced trader program, to all our strategies, together with the live trading room. So together with the mentorship you also get other benefits. Okay, so keep in mind, if you like, contact me here, leave me the message, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot for watching it. Wish you a wonderful weekend, and we hear soon. Bye.